Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory modules, loosen the 8 total screws on the base cover to lift the cover off the device. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the memory modules and unlatch them from the system. Grasp the edges to remove the modules. To reinstall the memory modules, relatch them to the system. Reconnect the battery cable and secure the base cover with the screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.